Hello, my name is Simona Cipriani. I'm here at the Art of Control, the Pilates studio in Stamford, Connecticut, and I have Kristen with me to demonstrate the balance control on the archival reformer here today. So we're going to place yourself down a little closer to the front and have about the distance the arms above your head. I also place a little pad underneath the shoulders so that Kristen has able to move a little easier. And then take your rolling slowly down, bend your knees into the chest, and let's get right into your jackknife position. So once you are in the jackknife position, you want to be very light on your legs. You're going to shoot that leg straight to the ceiling. And then we're going to make a little tryout. So she's going to find the frame on the side of the frame to really feel where the frame is there and come back into a beautiful jackknife position to go to the other side. So this is just a little prep, just so that you know where you want to go. Now we're going to make sure the jackknife is back a little further, and she's going to take the opposite side of the hand on top of the shoulder. So she's really pushing down like a push-up position. So go ahead, Kristen, open that right leg and then find the frame and then step off. Good. Make sure that leg is really close to the frame. Good. And now find your balance and bend a little and then stretch up a little and then come back down. So you're going to make sure your hands are on top of the shoulder blocks. Tuck your head under, swivel a little bit under the shoulder, and then slowly let's go to the other side. Change your hands position and bring the left leg over the left side and come up to stand. Good. So if you see I'm just barely touching her, just being there, just in case. You can always help to pull that leg out long. You can always help on the hip. Make sure the shoulder goes down and she's not on the neck. And lift those legs up in the air. Beautiful jackknife. As you're lengthening, come back to center, roll down, and finish nicely by bringing your feet down. Scoot all the way back into the shoulder blocks and bend your knees into the chest. Take a breath. Thank you.